I had my birthday this weekend, and lots of friends have come over to my place. So, of course, there were soft drinks and some cake and some party. So, we had a lot of fun, and I gave Pepsi and some cans to everyone. We danced to the moves. Finally, I everyone left and we had lots of fun. So here were the cans which I didn't know what to do, and finally I found this product online, and this is actually a wall mounted can crusher, and which comes with screw and some oil which is used. So I finally mounted it in my garage, which was a convenient option for me. And now we just place this can and crush it, push it down, so it becomes a very small thing. It just crushes it down, and it's so easy to do it. Anyone, even if a child is at home, and he can also help you crush the cans, so it doesn't require a lot of space in your trash bins, and it's so easy to use. So if you just want to just wall mount, it's so easy and convenient, flexible, and durable. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Bye bye.